here in southern New England working on a home orchard. And we're working on a peach tree. The crown, it lost quite a bit on one side, which may have been due to a storm, I don't recall. So subsequently, it's been lopsided. We've been continually trying to calibrate it so not to lose the whole canopy. So it's starting to fill in. It was completely bare on one side, so you can see it's starting to fill in. So subsequently, with all the heavy fruit, it's been in danger of tipping over. So what we did is we fashioned a support. So this is notched out slightly. Just a repurposed cedar stake that's driven into the ground a good 10 inches or so. And so that gives the tree support. And then these are nailed in so that it doesn't move, and we'll be monitoring these as this, probably annually. If it needs to be loosened, we'll do that. So but it has to be quite sturdy for storms. This is a windy site. And then the tree guards, until it gets to be a good 4 or 5 inch trunk, are important because the deer will rub their antlers and remove the bark subsequently. So these are just a plastic tree guard. So that's peach tree in progress.